In this video, we will introduce the grids component of the dashboard. The first thing we'll do is open up the course contents to Chapter 5, Grids, and open up the Grids code sample. In this code sample, I've left in the table that we've made last time, but the new commands that I'm introducing are the new UD-grid command. So we'll have a new UD-grid with a title Server Services, with an endpoint of basically the code that's going to be ran of get service select object, this name and display name, and then out grid, or this is the I'll explain this. So the out UD grid data is what you pass in to be displayed in that component. So in this new UD grid, we're just going to be displaying the services, and in this UD grid, we're going to be displaying the processes of the computer running this PowerShell session. So what we'll do is we'll run all the code, highlight everything, press F8 to run, and I'll go to localhost 8080, and we'll see our previous table here and two new grids below. Now grids are pretty interesting because they come with a filter function out of the box. So what you can do is you can start filtering the contents displayed in the grid, and it will look at every single column for the value put into the filter. So I know the bit service is running on this server, so we'll type in bits, and it quickly sorts through all the content and displays the only thing that matches the value in the filter. Now the same can be said for the server processes. If we want to look at just the Explorer, start typing Explorer, and we filtered out to this here. Another thing that we see in these grids are the pages. Now, since there's only one Explorer process running, there's no second page. But if we get rid of our filter and we can sort by name, we can look at the Explorer process by typing in Explorer, and it'll filter out all the other processes except for the Explorer process. Now, something else we see are these numbers here, and this represents the pages of the data being displayed in this grid. So then we can navigate through each page. And if we wait, we can see that these numbers update. That one did. About every 5 seconds. And this is because we put on the auto refresh interval 5 for both the services and process grids. Now, if we don't want to wait the 5 seconds, they've conveniently put in a refresh button. So then you can click this until your heart's content. They've also supplied a export to CSV button, which is very useful when you have, let's say, a person who wants this data in an Excel sheet, or you want this data in an Excel sheet. So in a point in time, click the button, it downloads it into a CSV.